Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So yung dad ko, yesterday nagpahanap siya sa akin ng dashcam. Marami ako nakikita, tinype ko lang is dashcam, tapos budget, best budget, 2025, ganyan. Actually maraming models ang lumalabas, pero marami ring nagva-vlog nitong 70 Mai. So ito yung in-order ko sa Shopee. So 70 Mai A200 dashcam, 1080p. And dual na siya, front and rear. Ang presyo niya is 3,999 pesos. Pero dahil sa mga vouchers, ang binayaran ko na lang is 3,238. Actually, yung dad ko pala, siya nagbayad. I-unbox natin siya ngayon. Matatry natin siya tomorrow kasi medyo gabi na eh. Let's go ahead, unbox this. Isang 32 gig, isang 64 gig na micro SD. Okay, just looking at the box right now, 1080p with HDR, parking surveillance, app control, and dual channel recording. Yan. Ganda ng box ha. Fairness, ganda ng box. Para ako nag-unbox ng cellphone. Okay, I guess stickers here. User manual, another user manual, the stickers here. Let's take this out before the actual cam. What is this for? Right now, I do not know. We will find out soon enough. Cable here. USB-C to USB. Nice and long cable. And the cable quality, it's pretty good. And another cable, check this out, small lang. And also a different connector. I think this is the cigarette lighter charger. So it's just one slot. I presume this is the back camera. And it's pretty light. And for our main camera, here's the camera. Please remove before use. Download the video to PC for a better watching experience. Power, button 1, 2, 3, 4. So micro SD, charging, USB-C, and so this is the AV in, the small one. Power, and there you go. That's the screen. And push just like that. So balak ko kasi bukas ko pa siya i-install dun sa pickup ng dad ko. O yan, nag-automatic na oh. Okay, so may check dito. I guess click this. Okay, setup English. Check. Okay. Okay, fairly easy. Then click check. Parking surveillance capable undetected. Please enable the function after installation. Okay, check. Download app. May QR code. Ito siya. 70 Mai. Install. So, ipaprompt ka niya. Pipili ka kung Android or iOS. So, depende sa device nyo. Okay, so kailangan naka-enable yung Bluetooth. Please format the memory card. Okay, format. That's it. Ilang seconds lang. And ayan na siya. Nakikita na yung video here. Ayan, nakikita na yung kamay ko. So gamit ko tong back camera. Vini-video ko lang ngayon si Funko Tupac. So this is to change. Okay. Balik uli natin dito. Yan. So, balik siya sa main camera. Okay, next. Recording emergency video. Okay, nire-record yung emergency video. I guess we have to wait. Okay, tapos na. Next. Entering the album will stop video recording. Continue. So, para makita lang kung ano na yung na-save. Punta muna tayo dito. Sige, punta muna tayo sa video settings. Check natin. Video storage, high compression, resolution. Isa lang naman yung mapipili eh, no? 1080p, bale HDR. Wala nang ibang option. Recording duration, okay. So 1 minute 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So I guess nagka-cut-cut yung video pero tuloy-tuloy siya. I think maganda siguro, every 3 minutes na lang. 7 my logo, naka-on lang. Refresh rate, okay na to. 60 Hz NTSC, hindi ko napapalitan to. Back. Extended cam image. Siguro for now, wag muna. Hindi pa ako sure kung ano yan. And dito naman tayo. Parking surveillance. Collision detection. Sige, i-on natin yung collision detection. Parking surveillance cable undetected. Okay, so hindi ko pa to gets. Back muna tayo. Need that. Sound settings. Okay. On-off tone. Button sound. What else we have here? Audio recording. Speaker volume. So settings. May system and may reset. System. Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay guys. So, sasabihin sa'yo mag-connect ka via Wi-Fi. Kaya dapat naka-turn on yung hotspot nito. Nandun din, makikita mo rin dun yung password. Trying to connect. Hopefully, ayun, connected. No internet access. So, dapat pwede na akong makapasok dito. Loading. Please confirm authorization on device. Please click to confirm the button to complete. Okay. May time limit. App is connected. And then it says here, function buttons are not responsive when device is connected. Don't remind me again. Got it. App is connected. So we are connected. Actually, nakikita na dito sa from my phone. Ayan. Ito yung camera niya. Oh. Here, from here, pwede ko na siyang i-on yung mic. Ayan, audio recording on. Tapos, pwede mag-take ng photo. And ano to? Pumunta siya dito sa camera sa likod. Entering the photo library will stop the recording. Enter now. Okay. Para makita lang natin. Ayan na. So, these are the videos. Ito yung mga 3-minute videos. All videos. I'm clicking all videos right now. Okay, I'm looking at the quality. It's not that bad. Okay. Tapos from here, I can download the video. So, ginamit ko tong prying tool para i-suksok sa taas yung wires para hindi kita. So, yan. Right now, nandito na ako sa part na to. Kinabit ko na yung sa back camera. Ito. Yan. So, nandito na ako sa area na to. Hanggang sa likod. Yan, na-install ko na siya. Tapos yung extra na wires, lalagay ko lang sa likod. Forward. You're listening to the audio of the 70 my 200 model. Okay, habang nagda-drive ako dito lang sa loob ng village. So, chillax driving lang to, guys. And okay na, hindi na lumalabas yung time na naayos ko na yung settings niya. Okay. Let's go back. Ano guys, kita ba yung mga mga license plate? Okay. Importante naman kasi yan, makita yung mga license plate, syempre yung mga mukha ng tao, 'di ba? Para huling-huli sa camera. Hindi ka safe. 'Di ba? Ang safe yung nagda-drive. Okay? Yung mga kamoting yun ang hindi safe. Okay, forward. Okay. Let's go back. Guys, kita ba yung mga mga license plate?